All right, folks, what do you say? Thursday morning, 2 trading days left in a week. Got an early start to the day here in Chicago. Let's get ready. Another big day. So yesterday we had that FOMC, the Fed rate decision. No change to interest rates as expected. However, what they did change as expected was their bond buying program. So they're going to start to slow those bond purchases. However, Fed Chairman Powell said all these meetings moving forward are going to be more focused on interest rates. Now, what did we see yesterday? Well, we saw a bit of a rally in the equity market on that news. Coming into the open today, we're seeing the dollar relatively flat, stock market relatively flat, not a lot of action. Why? Because we have the big Bank of England meeting this morning, and tomorrow we have that we have the employment data due out for the month of October. So the big jobs report, we'll get the unemployment rate, we'll get non-farm payrolls, so on and so forth. So again, this morning, about 15 minutes from now, Bank of England rate decision, they're pricing in about a 60% chance that they raise interest rates. So for you pound dollar traders, let's be ready. That's coming out here shortly. Could see some action in the FX markets today. FOMC, the jobs report due out tomorrow. A lot on tap for the remainder of the week. Let's get in there, trade some price action. Again, early start, rise and shine. I'll see you folks tomorrow.